extra guests. The Elevate converts from a sofa to a bunk bed with 2 sleepers. This novel design is handcrafted using manufacturing practices, minimizing waste, and utilizing local resources. This bunk bed is one of the great solutions for children's rooms. It comes with a wide, deep bookshelf so it can contain large items. It can be customized with an L-shaped desk for study or with drawers to store your clothes. Beam It Up Smart Storage System. Beam It Up takes advantage of unused space just below the ceiling for storing suitcases, boxes, shoes, seasonal clothing, and so much more. This European-made storage solution is flexible, extendable, and it is easy to install. It can be placed anywhere between 2 walls. This piece of furniture is a good combination between a bed and a closet. It's a great furniture piece for dorm rooms and teenagers where floor space is limited. The bed comes with built-in drawers on the exterior and a mattress that can be easily lifted to reveal even more storage underneath. Future Automation. The Future Automation SPS sliding panel system allows complete in-wall screen concealment at the push of a button. This system's distinctively brilliant design and one-of-a-kind functionality are sure to turn anyone's heads. It keeps the screen out of view when not needed while making sure it's easily and quickly available when required. The Underbed TV Lift and Swivel. This impressive and unique mechanism hides a flat-screen TV under a bed, then rotates when in the up position to allow multiple viewing angles, negating the need for cabinetry at the foot of the bed. Closet Boom. Increase your room storage with this uniquely designed compact closet organizer. It can hold 3 racks of clothing that are easily folded and unfolded. Each rack has several slots to hold the hangers. Expand your clothing storage options to places never before considered for hanging clothes like entries, doors, and more. Hampton Queen Sofa. This multifunctional sofa sleeper brings a queen-size bed to any room of your house. Only remove the cushions, grab the front plate, and then fold down the padded backrest to complete the bed. And to put it away, reverse the steps. Cozy's Stairs. Cozy's is a professional Korean furniture brand. It makes customizable home designs to make the best of your home space. Just like these pull-out stairs with unique technology. And this pull-out rotary table can maximize the use of narrow spaces. This folding chair can turn into an ironing board. It's a perfect solution for small apartments and hotel rooms. Hidden wall bed. This nice room with a fold-up wall bed is a good idea to save more space. When the wall bed is closed up, it gives more free space for the kids to play or a study room. It comes with top and side storage cabinets.